Hello and welcome to this titration multiple choice question walkthrough. So the first sentence tells you what the student actually titrated, what the identity of the alkali and the acid is. So that allows you to construct a balanced equation. So that's essential, so you know the mole ratios of your barium hydroxide to your nitric acid. It then tells you the quantity of barium hydroxide that was used and the volume of nitric acid. So the information for the barium hydroxide allows us to work out the moles of barium hydroxide, so that's where you start. So you write down all your data and you collect the data for the thing you can work out the moles for. So that gives us 1.125 times 10 to the minus 3 moles for barium hydroxide. Looking at the equation, there's a 1 to 2 mole ratio between barium hydroxide and nitric acid. So therefore you double that number of moles of barium hydroxide to get the number of moles of nitric acid at 2.25 times 10 to the minus 3. Now they want you to work out the concentration of the nitric acid. So to do that, you divide its moles by its volume, making sure the volume is in decimeters cubed. So the 23.35 has to be divided by 1,000 to do that, which gives you 0.0964, which leads you to answer D. Okay, thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.